On each one of these, if you pick whichever one that you want, maybe any or all of them, but whenever you edit the email address, we now have this notify all users of new leads. That needs to be checked.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Once that is checked, then whenever a lead comes in here, instead of it going as a notification just to you, and let me go back to, well, right here on the notifications, instead of it showing under the user side right here, it will show as a system notification, and all of your team will get that system notification.
Perfect.
Whenever you set up a new message, if anything that goes to system will go into that system side, and it just, all it is a system message versus a individual message to you.
So that feature is already available? Okay.
Yes.